Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browse YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna just showcase my experience using this my review, okay, using WriteSonic. It's pretty good and I think it's worth it. Okay, but now let me elaborate a little bit more. So you can simply write some words here. It's gonna give you an image. So I'll write how to browser. It's a man teaching. Okay, I'll generate this. Just on the only downside I think is that you only have this amount of words. That's the free plans you have to pay to in order to use more. That's the Photosonic. Okay, and this generated, as you can see, some of the images. That's very different. Not usually words, I guess. But anyhow, the tool is pretty good. I think you can create some very creative, um, like other AI generators, and it's powerful. It's good, I think, but I still think at the same time that Midjourney is better, and Midjourney is not free, but you still have more more extended time to use the software, whereas this one you have you can use it for a short amount of time. Okay, 100 premium words you can use. That's about it, and that's just my personal opinion. I also think it's just a better Midjourney compared with this one. I don't know. Yeah, I think the images the images that this software is producing are good, but when you compare it with Midjourney, I just think there's more flexibility there. But that's about it. That's just my opinion. That's just disclaimer. Obviously, you might have a better experience, and you have different needs, which leads to fulfillment, not fulfillment, but like it leads to different desire, right? You have a different desire, you have different needs. So that's about it. Okay, I don't want to make this video too long. That's just my personal opinion. But yeah, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate it. Will help a lot of this my YouTube channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.